Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Yahoo Finance API key. It is important to know that Yahoo Finance officially discontinued its public API service several years ago. This means you cannot obtain an official API key directly from Yahoo. However, many developers still need this valuable financial data. The practical solution involves using third-party platforms that offer API access to Yahoo Finance data, often through web scraping. The most common way to access Yahoo Finance data via an API key is through a marketplace like Rapid API. First, you will need to register for a free account on the Rapid API website. Once logged in, use the search bar to look for Yahoo Finance. You will find several third-party APIs that provide access to this data. Select one that fits your needs and subscribe to its plan, which often includes a free basic tier for testing. After subscribing to an API on Rapid API, your unique API key will be prominently displayed on the API's dashboard. This key is essential for authenticating your requests. When making calls to the API, you must include this key in your request headers. Rapid API typically provides convenient code snippets in many programming languages, such as Python or JavaScript, to help you quickly integrate the API into your application with your new key. When using a third-party Yahoo Finance API, it is crucial to review its documentation carefully. Pay close attention to usage limits, which might be, for example, 1,000 requests per hour on a free plan. Also, understand that data quality and reliability can vary between different providers. For more intensive use, or if you require guaranteed uptime and support, exploring the paid subscription plans offered by these third-party APIs is highly recommended.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.